Hey future entrepreneurs, welcome back to the CEO magazine. Today we have an exciting topic, unlocking your inner entrepreneur, building the right mindset. Whether you are just starting your entrepreneurial journey or looking to level up your business game, the right mindset is the key to success. My name is Srikanth Pandey, and in this video we will explore the essential aspects of cultivating a powerful entrepreneurial mindset that will set you on the path of achievement. So grab your notepads and let's get started. The entrepreneurial mindset defined. Before we delve into the specifics, let's define the entrepreneurial mindset. It is not about running a business, but the way of thinking and approaching challenges. Creativity, strength, adaptability, and the strong sense of purpose determines an entrepreneur's mindset. It's about embracing uncertainty, learning from failures, and seizing opportunities. So, how you develop the mindset? Embrace risk and failure. First or foremost, successful entrepreneurs embrace risk and failure. They understand that failure is not the end, but the stepping stone towards growth. It's important to take calculated risk and view failure as valuable lessons that fuel future success. Adopt a growth mindset. This means believing in your ability to learn and improve over the time. Challenges are seen as opportunities to develop new skills rather than roadblocks. Keep pushing yourself out of your comfort zone. Set clear goals. Lastly, let's clear the specific goals. A vision for your business and personal development will keep you motivated and focused. Break down big goals into smaller, manageable steps to track your progress. Segment number 2, building blocks of entrepreneurial mindset. Now we know that what an entrepreneurial mindset is, let's dive into the building blocks that will help you to cultivate. Self-discipline and time management. Self-discipline and time management are important. As an entrepreneur, you are your own boss. So you must manage your time very effectively. Create a schedule, prioritize your task, and eliminate distractions to maximize your productivity. Resilience and adaptability. Resilience and adaptability go hand in hand. The business landscape is ever changing and setbacks are inevitable. Cultivate the ability to bounce back from challenges, adopt your strategies to new situations. Continuous learning. Never stop learning. The successful entrepreneurs are voracious learners. Read books, take courses, attend workshops. Staying updated with the industry trends and new skills will give you a complete and competitive edge. Segment number 3, strategies to strengthen your mindset. Let's discuss practical strategies to strengthen your entrepreneurial mindset. Practice mindfulness and visualization. Mindfulness and visualization are the powerful techniques. Practice mindfulness to stay present and reduce stress. Visualization will help you to see your goals as achievable, boosting your confidence and determination. Surround yourself with positivity. Surrounding yourself with positivity, connecting with your fellow entrepreneurs, mentors, and like-minded individuals who uplift you and inspire you. Your environment greatly influences your mindset. Celebrate small wins. Finally, celebrate small wins along the way. Recognizing your progress, no matter how small, boosts your motivation. and keep you focused on your journey. And this is the time for conclusion, and there you have it, fellow entrepreneurs. Building the right mindset is the foundation of your success. Remember, it is not about being fearless, about having the courage and act despite your fears. Embrace failure. Adopt a growth mindset and develop the building blocks we discussed. Doing so unlocks your inner entrepreneur and paves the way of fulfilling the priority and prosperous journey. If you found this video helpful, remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more empowering content. Until next, keep hustling and keep believing in yourself. Thank you very much.